You searched how to buy shares of Aramis Group SAS. Aramis Group SAS is a French automotive retailer and mobility services company listed on Euronext under the ticker ARAMI.PA. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To buy ARAMI.PA, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the typical process. After registering, you must verify your account with a government ID and add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ARAMI.PA to find Aramis Group SAS. Select the listing that shows Euronext to ensure you have the correct share. Open the asset page to review the company description and the price chart for recent trading activity. Confirm the page shows Euronext and ticker ARAMI.PA to make sure it's the right stock. Click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review order details including fees and order type before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in the portfolio overview once the order is executed. A demonstration eToro link is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.